In order to strategically approach a deal and be successful, it's crucial you understand the political and interpersonal relationships in an organization. These are hard to understand and envision when information is kept in a CRM. Showing these relationships in Lucidchart is easy. We recommend using a combination of 5 line types to depict the type of relationships between individuals. Solid lines will typically denote a reporting or hierarchical relationship. These can be elbow, straight, or curved lines. It can be helpful to make reporting and non-reporting relationships different types of lines to make it easier to understand and visualize. On this diagram, you can see that we have a reporting structure displayed. I've chosen to display this with solid, curved lines. If I want to show how healthy each one of these reporting relationships are, I can simply color code them red, green, or yellow. Red typically indicates a strained relationship, yellow is neutral, and green is a healthy relationship. I can manually change these lines by clicking on the line, navigating to the line color menu in the properties bar, and selecting red. Or I can select a group of lines by using the Command or Control button. Or if you'd like to use a shortcut, you can navigate to the legend or key on your account map, right-click on the type of line you'd like to use, select Copy Style, and then right-click and select Paste Style to any other line or lines throughout your account map. Having this legend with your preset colors and styles can be very helpful. We can do the same thing with non-reporting relationships. Once we visualize the reporting relationships, we can add influential relationships that are critical to understand and in some cases, stronger than reporting relationships. Show these relationships by making a dotted line between the contacts. You can do this by navigating to the Properties bar, selecting the Line Type menu, selecting a dotted line, and then drawing your line. Again, as a shortcut, you can draw these lines and then copy the style from the non-reporting legend and paste that style onto any line within your account map. As you continue navigating the account, visualizing and understanding these relationships will be critical to create consensus amongst your buyers and close the deal.